Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral video using AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Meta AI. And first of all, you can visit Meta AI, then sign in with your Facebook account or your Instagram account. And then here you can generate any video that you want. You can prepare the prompt first, and for the prompt I have already asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for me, this one. And for the viral video, I'm going to create spooky video for Halloween. So this is the prompt, and then I'm going to paste the prompt here, and we can send the prompt to AI, and the AI will generate a video for us. Okay, and it's still loading guys. And you need to remember that video generated with Meta AI will have no sound. So for the background music or for the sound, you can create it using Suno AI. Okay, I'm going to close my GPT, and you can visit suno.com. Then you can generate any music that you want here for free. Okay, and the video is being generated guys. Alright, these are the results, and I'm going to play it. Okay, and if you want to download the video, click on this download icon and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create viral video using AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.